Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. 7454 or 5454, 74LS54 and 54LS54. It is 4 wide and/or invert gate. 54 military standard, 74 commercial standard, 5 volt supply input. Difference in both numbers: 54 simple and LS54. In simple 54, there are 4 gates at input. Each gate has 2 inputs. It is simple 5454 or 7454. 14 pin IC. LS54 is also 14 pin IC. VCC pin number 14, pin number 7 ground. LS54, 2 AND gates with 2 input, 2 AND gates with 3 inputs. So LS54 have 2 input more than simple 54. Here pin number 6 not used, 11, 12 not used, but here pin number 8 not used. Pin number 6 output. Here in LS54 I am using LS54. First 2 gates A and B. At the input there is AND gate. Then 3 inputs for the second gate, C, D, E. Pin number 6 is Y. Y is output. Then pin number 8 not used, 9, 10, 11. 3 inputs for third gate. Fourth gate, IJ. How this IC will work? We know here is AND gate. If both inputs of AND gate are low, the output will low. Any one will high, one low. This gate's output will remain low because it is AND gate. If both inputs are high, what will happen? This NOR gate will provide low output. If any one pair, this pair from this gate provides both inputs high, the output will low. Just only one gate. If its both inputs are low, second gate's one input is high, second is high, one is low. Out of 3, if any one will low, the output will high. Any one low, output is high. So this gate will not affect on the output because one gate is providing output now. So we can say in this IC, if all inputs for one gate out of 4 becomes high, the output will low. Now this gate 3 inputs high, other gates will not affect on the output until any one input from these 3 will low, the output is now high. If any one input of this gate becomes high, output is high. If both inputs are high from this gate, the output is low. Any one low or both low from this gate, and at least one input must be low to take high output. Now here we have 3 wires. One high, no effect. Second high, no effect from this section. If all inputs are high, output is low. So in this combination, if all inputs for any one gate will become high, the output will low. If all inputs are low, or at least one input is low from each gate, the output will high. Now one input low from this section, from this gate, one high, one low from this gate, 2 high, 1 low from this gate, 1 high, 1 low from this gate, output will remain high until one condition is fulfilled, that both inputs or all inputs are high. If all inputs from this gate are high or all inputs from this gate are high, the output is low. So this is special function IC 74LS54. Thanks for watching.